Welcome to my channel Jetpack. Today I'm going to unbox all these toys you see. Let's start with the Nerf gun. Let's check it out. Oopsie failed. Let's try one more time. I got all the bullets in here. And hold this baby and shoot. Like a boss. Now we're going to open my laser remote car. And it comes with a remote controller and it comes with a USB charger. If you want to drive it on the floor, you put it in the middle. If you want to drive it on the right, on the wall, you put it on the right side. That's how it works on the wall. And that's how it works on the floor. And this is how my sister is chasing the laser like a cat. Now I'm going to open my little Ushi. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a yellow, cute little car. Let me open my next Ushi. My superhero Ushi. Let's open it up. Let's see what I get. Oh, I got Green Lantern. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.